Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much as usual for your continued support. Now today we are in the parish of Trelawny and we're here to talk to a lady by the name of Casey Lewinson. Alright, so we'll get to that in a little while, but before we do, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel so once we post a video, you will be notified. Alright, so let's get into the video. Hi Casey.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. That's not water. Oh, that's the juice. Oh. Hi, Kason. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Okay. Oh, what's the baby's name?
Kimora.
Kimora.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Kimora. Hi. All smiles. And what is her name?
Hey, Anna.
Kiana.
Yeah.
So you have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy.
Yeah.
How old is Keaton?
10.
Keaton is 10.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The one in 4. The one in 2.
Oh, so Keaton 10, 4, and 2.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So, Kasian, you would have called us for some time now.
Yeah.
Talk to us about what is that, you want to. Just explain your situation to us.
Well, my baby, you born with Club Foot and yeah, we and add me and on with our children, but like me with like other every we or every we and on my like if my other we then we then we be able to alright. In that minute me other then improvement or anywhere. The last time I did it about my baby other in a improvement or in no more money it was children or
So your baby father was not assisting you or is not assisting you?
him did, but him not improvement in the baby him need to give me money.
Or he stopped giving you money?
Yeah, I know with the baby none at all.
Oh, so since he has stopped giving you the money, you don't go back to children's
No.
because you're not in a position to afford it?
No.
Okay.
And like it was and like every week or every week that I leave it yeah me want and
$5,000 for your fare to go to children's and come back from Trelawny to Kingston.
yeah. And it really hard because right now I'm not working. I would like to work, but with me I read them, I really nobody lead them with or me the one with them. When me yung the I don't look upline, but not really one or me did do the other day with mango did me that look mango.
Oh, you were selling mango the other day in the
Yeah.
mango period, but mango season over now.
Yeah. Me the warm now I don't know.
Okay, so when you say you used to hustle in Christiana, what is it that you used to do?
You like a and they are tell them.
Oh, you used to sell slippers and
Yeah.
So what happened to that in Christiana? It wasn't working out?
No, like my other ED, me no make no money.
Oh.
No make no money. My I do one me LED.
One slippers for the day?
Yeah, man. That I don't yeah me one back.
So like when you sell the slippers, like how much you sell it for?
My yeah $100, $4. And when I tell them they barely want buy, that the money there.
Oh wow, so things has been very difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe a bit harder. Not really. Yeah, me not and like one and him about armor last year. And when me and him did late when trouble. And when him back, him no when me there, him in mother here.
Okay.
But him no really there on me. We in them, but otherwise me and him no live.
Okay, so you say, in terms of your relationship, that's not there. So that is why I have the lack of financial support. Sometimes you'll get something you're saying.
Yeah.
But okay. So what is it that you would like? Everything that you explained to us in terms of the baby, because the baby has the, what you call it? Is Club Foot?
Foot.
Okay,
Yeah.
Club Foot.
Yeah.
So she has to be getting, she's supposed to be getting therapy or surgery. What is it?
Normally them would them would make you do like make you wear a elbow or
Cast
yeah,
or what?
or then me I buy a boo.
Oh,
A elbow,
a tall boot
yeah,
or a cast it.
yeah, and it there.
Oh, how much for it?
Oh, the end, and a brand,
Oh,
the
it
end.
depends on the brand. So, oh, so you have not checked out anything.
Me buy already, you
You
know.
buy two?
Yeah,
Oh,
me
okay.
buy all them, but me not improvement.
Oh,
Oh,
so she's supposed to be wearing that boot
yeah,
to correct the
the
foot.
yeah.
Okay, okay. I'd love to see what that boot looks like.
Well, me in a whole worry about the iron. The underneath the me a look at the iron. Me no know where me put the iron. But it with the iron underneath the but me no know where they right now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so let me see if I can get some clarity. So you used to take her to children's.
Yeah.
And you're saying no, it is difficult because of the lack of finances.
Yeah.
And because when you used to take her to children's, it used to be like $5,000 for your fare to go and come back.
Yeah.
So when you go, you have to pay for the treatment?
No.
Or the treatment is free?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just the traveling that is costly.
Yeah.
All right, so she's no longer going to children's.
No.
So what would you want?
Well, I would want and with her in here you bring her or any more that
Oh.
or here me L R O really and truly it really hard the way in the morning and it walk it hard more while when you walk like all down. Yeah, all long and then with it.
Yeah, and you're not seeing any improvement.
No.
So you would want, like, maybe, you know, help to change the physician, the doctor, to see if you can get some better treatment
Yeah.
or different advice.
Yeah.
Yes. Does it pain her?
Well, don't really know, I know. Don't really know.
She's not crying for it. She's really active and running up and down, as you
Yeah.
observed since we have been here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then in a end, I live in a rent house.
Oh, so this year you're living in is a rented house?
Yeah, a rent house. And the year when I live in a rent house, and from maybe every other December, him only a woman rent. All right, now the rent really high low. High low and
So the rent pile up? So you owe
yeah.
like how many months rent now?
About 4 or 8 months rent.
About 4 or 5 months rent? You don't mind saying how much you pay per month for rent?
I owe
$5,000?
yeah.
Oh, so if for 5 months at $25,000 you owe?
Yeah. Oh, right now in deal with me. Him with him do head money. Him don't any not my name anymore.
Okay.
We ambulate them. We I any and then we tell them me and then we me but otherwise and that he not deal with me none at all.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
And but me did like food at the war all last year.
You applied for a food for the poorhouse last year?
Yeah. Or them call me and I bring him on document. But I
What
don't
kind of documents?
like land here
Land paper?
at and other things.
Oh, land paper, tax receipt, and some other things?
Yeah, and I don't want any of that. I don't want no land to put the out.
Oh, so that is a challenge for you because you first have to have a place to put it on, for which you have the documents before you can do the application process to get the house.
Yeah, when me do like me did burnout road when me did late before me move here.
Oh, you did burnout before?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
From last year.
Last
before
year.
me baby had that trouble.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Or me did burnout. Or in a them the time then me did like the wood or the or all. But when me did like me did use me baby other family them. Yeah, and them in me OA.
Oh.
They all round there, but me and them not really deal right now. Oh, me
That is
nah,
all. Okay, you
nah,
wouldn't
but
have the.
dear.
Okay. 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 Because I realized too, you have sort of a problem with his speech.
Right.
You want to talk to us about that?
Well, I'm born with it.
Oh, that's how you were born.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, Casey, let us see what the boot looks like for the
All right.
baby.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Come touch me. Touch. Hi. Touch. Hi. Hello. She keeps saying, hi. You see how fast she go?
In them here, but them with that iron underneath the But I don't know where the iron there where underneath the underneath the bottom right here. Yeah, but me don't know where iron there right now.
So she currently not wearing them then?
No.
Oh.
But
So,
maybe right now my granny you know one with but then the other one with
oh.
me.
Why? Is it that she grow it out now?
Alright. One with but one not
Okay.
But one bigger than one.
This shoe here?
Yeah, one bigger than it long.
Oh.
One bigger than
This
one.
one look bigger?
Yeah, and one bigger than one.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you would want one of these for her?
I can really buy the boo, but I did that at the right the boo or the baby.
Or the doctor prescribed the boots?
Yeah, me can buy it like that.
Oh, okay. So you have to take her to the doctor and they tell you or advise you what type to get?
Yeah, and me buy that the way there.
Okay, I see. Okay. So if she's to wear this now, it wouldn't help her because they said the piece of metal that should be at the bottom is not.
At the wear with the iron, but me maybe it alright now, but along weary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to try put it on for her to see how it looks?
Alright.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Good evening. Oh. Oh. So one of them, the big one, okay, but this one, her foot come right through.
Yeah.
So that means she grew this one here. So the wearing of this shoe is supposed to correct the leg. So okay. Hi. Yeah. So Casey, is it that she used to wear it when you just get it?
Yeah. You wear me like I order me by here now.
Oh, a second pair this.
Yeah.
Oh, so why? Oh, so you just make she stop wearing it now because one of her foot is going through the front.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So she in need of a new pair.
Yeah.
And you say, of course, that you have to go to the doctor for them to recommend and advise you on that.
I can't wear anyone.
Oopsie. You're a strong girl. Yeah. She wants it back. Where you gonna fall in it? She wants it back. All right, everyone, you heard the plight of Kasian, the challenges she currently faces with her daughter, you know, needing medical attention and, you know, even a new pair of corrective shoes. So if you're in a position where you're able to assist her, please reach out to us on the number that is always running across the screen, which is 876-512-4055. So whatever it is that you have or you're able to give will be greatly appreciated. All right, so until next time, this is where we end the video. Thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Stay safe.